Hey, what's going on there, folks? I hope you're doing well. As you can see, I'm out here in the woods, but not really. Uh, I'm not out here camping. I'm out here to take on a challenge that I was issued by one of my fellow YouTube creators. It's Ozark's Great Adventures. I'll provide the link below in the description for him for you guys to go check out his great videos. I certainly enjoy watching them myself. And recently he had done a live stream with some other YouTubers, and we kind of got to talking about challenges and stuff, and I guess a challenge got put down. The gauntlet has been thrown. And what he had proposed was that we make a slingshot, which I don't know if I'm actually really that savvy in how to do such a task, but I thought, hey, why not give it a try? I like doing things in the outdoors. I like creating things. I like trying something different, and this is definitely different and might possibly be out of my element. So I may be making something really cool, or it may be a flop. But I'm gonna take you along on the journey. Probably do some videos here and there showing different things I did to make it. And so what I've come up with, and this is a starting piece, is this right here. Okay, this is a pine. Don't know if it's the best material or not, but we're certainly going to give it a try. Now I know the first thing you're going to say is, Dan, that's too big. Well, it is to some respects, but I figure it's going to be a project that's going to take some shaving down and carving and cutting and whatnot to get it to the size that I want. And I thought something kind of unique here, and I'll bring this in here, is this little tab here. And if you notice, it fits just almost perfectly for holding it. It might give me a little stability. So we're going to be carving this down. Of course, it's going to make the handle smaller. I'll probably make it shorter. I don't need all this length. Don't need all this length up here on the upper ends of it. And this also came about from watching another YouTube channel that Randy over at Ozark's Great Adventure had been recommending. So I went over, I started looking at his videos, and I was like, boy, I need some tools. So went and got me a wood rasp. It's going to be interesting to see what happens, because I know this has some fat wood in it. Put that up there and see if you can kind of see, which means that the inside of this holds some resin. And one of my biggest fears on this is going to be that when I go to wood rasping on it or cutting it down, it's going to gum it up. So that's going to be a challenge. But I really wanted to kick this thing off, get this started, and show you what I'll be working with. If it's a flop, it'll end up being kindling. You know, maybe I can use some of that fat wood, make some shavings or whatnot. And also, one of the other reasons I kind of went with something a little bit bigger is I did notice that it's got some cracks in it. I don't think that'll be a problem once I get more of it shaved down. But it should be a fun project. And you know, if you guys have any videos that you recommend that I should watch to maybe help with this creation from this monstrosity, put something in the comments. Let me know. Tell me who I should go check out. That would help me out with this. I know there's other YouTubers that do it on a higher end scale, but I'm just looking to make the basics. I've got some material to use for the, for lack of a better term, the bungee or the elastic, and then I got something to use for my patch for the pocket. So should be interesting. So if you guys get a chance, like I said, comment below. Let me know some videos that you think would be good to help me along on this journey. Don't have a whole lot of time, so get your comments in there quick, and we'll certainly go check them out, especially if it's your channel. All right, folks, we're going to wrap this up here. Hope you keep watching for the outcome of this. Hopefully it's not a flop, but hey, I have videos that I've done things, and one of them is go out and make some fatwood shavings using an auger bit. You guys might want to check that video out. That was kind of surprising that how well it did, especially the part 2 of it. But all right, you guys, appreciate you watching. Remember, be kind to each other, and if you don't mind, hit that like, subscribe, and that way you'll get the notifications of the progress of how this is going. And all right, you guys have a good one. Be kind to each other.